Welcome to our channel. Today, we're transforming our homes with the vibrancy of nature. We've gathered 25 unique and achievable DIY indoor gardening ideas for everyone. Get ready to infuse your spaces with the joy of growth and the beauty of greenery. Let's begin with a project as charming as it is practical. An herb garden nestled in recycled mason jars. Ready? Maximize your vertical space with a beautiful cascade of hanging planters, perfect for showcasing a variety of trailing plants indoors. Craft unique planters from recycled bottles, embracing sustainability. Chapter 4. Aloe Vera, the Healing Houseplant. Invite the soothing properties of aloe vera into your home, a natural remedy within reach. Number 5. Terrariums, miniature worlds of enchantment. Create a miniature ecosystem within a terrarium, a captivating centerpiece adding a touch of magic. Chapter 6. Snake plant, the low-maintenance wonder. Even the busiest can enjoy the deep green hues of a thriving snake plant with minimal care. Purifying the air we breathe, spider plant. Cleanse the air and enhance your well-being with the air-purifying qualities of a graceful spider plant. Chapter 8. Succulent wall art. Elevate your walls into living art with stunning drought-tolerant succulents. Chapter 9. Indoor vegetable garden. Enjoy the convenience and satisfaction of harvesting fresh vegetables year-round. Chapter 10. Pothos, the beginner's best friend. Start your indoor gardening journey with the resilient pothos, a true symbol of growth. Chapter 11. Indoor herb spiral, a culinary masterpiece. Create a focal point with an herb spiral, providing easy access to fresh flavors for your dishes. Chapter 12. DIY plant stand budget-friendly elegance. Showcase your plants with pride on a custom-built stand, a testament to your creativity and frugality. Chapter 13. Air plant display. Embrace the beauty of air plants, thriving without soil. Chapter 14. Lavender, a sensory delight. Infuse your home with the calming aroma and beauty of lavender, a therapeutic sensory delight. Chapter 15. Fairy garden. Create a miniature world of wonder with a fairy garden, a delightful project to share with loved ones. Chapter 16. Vertical garden. Transform a blank wall into a thriving vertical garden, maximizing space and adding grandeur. Peace lily, a symbol of tranquility. Invite serenity into your home with the elegant peace lily, its white blooms symbolizing tranquility. Chapter 18. DIY plant shelf. Display your plant collection with pride on a handcrafted shelf reflecting your style. Chapter 19. Hydroponic garden. Embrace the future with sustainable, efficient hydroponic systems, growing plants in water. Flowering houseplants, bursts of indoor color. Brighten your living spaces with vibrant hues, bringing joy to every corner. Chapter 21. ZZ plant, the unkillable houseplant. Even the most forgetful gardener can enjoy the beauty of a ZZ plant, thriving in low light. Cultivate a sense of peace and tranquility with a bonsai tree, a miniature work of art that inspires deep contemplation. Chapter 23. Indoor water garden. Create an oasis of tranquility with an indoor water garden, a soothing addition to any room. Chapter 24. Mixed succulent garden. Design a captivating display with succulents, their unique shapes and textures creating visual interest. Personalized plant pots. Infuse your personality into your plant pots. with creative decorations, making each one unique. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of indoor gardening. We hope these DIY ideas inspire you to transform your home into a green paradise. The joy of gardening is a gift that keeps on growing. Like, comment and subscribe for more DIY projects and gardening tips. Happy gardening.